All right, y'all, I got another unboxing video. This one is of a bait finesse rod. It's actually a high-end custom fiberglass BFS rod. I ordered this, or I had it custom made from a guy. I think he's in the UK. I think his company name is Resilure. I don't want to mess his name up, but it's something like Resilure. He makes like really nice high-end custom fishing rods. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how it looks. I'll try to open it up from the end right here. All right, got the end of it open. Okay, got some bubble wrap in there. Here it is. It's in a really well protected, like really hard tube right here. That's nice. See if you can see it all. So let me try to open up this tube. All right. Got the cap off. Let's put this tube to the side. Okay, so it comes in a like a little cloth bag. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Look at the handle piece first. Yeah, it's hard to see in the not much light in here. That's kind of cool. It's a little trout emblem you put in there. Trying to show you how the wood looks. I wanted a wood handle and foregrip and everything. I think it looks prettier than cork. I've never been a big fan of cork as far as looks. I mean, cork's fine functionally, but I think wood is a lot prettier, or like more of a hardwood is more, that has grain to it, is more pretty than a cork handle. You can't really see it because this wood is pretty dark, but he showed it to me in the sunlight and it was like really pretty. So I'm gonna probably show y'all this handle in the sunlight so y'all can see the wood grain better. That's the name of the company right there. His company, Resilure, I think. But he had, so I had this rod made for my ambassador, my red ambassador reels. As you can see, it's got like a red thread on it. So he had asked him to put silver hardware on it to match like the frame of the ambassador. And then of course the red thread matches. This was for one of my red ambassadors. So that was to match that. So this is my first fiberglass rod, and I bought it to do like flick casting or flip casting or whatever you want to call it, for mountain stream fishing. When I go to the Smoky Mountains, there's some really small streams that I fish in, and I think flip casting or flick casting would work good in there. So I had this fiberglass rod made specifically for that, and I had him to match the rod to my red ambassador reels. So it has like these like kind of bright chrome silver pieces on here. So let me look at the other pieces. I believe this is a 3-piece rod. So there's another piece. Here's the last piece. I think they have, he put really high-end guides on it too. It's got a lot of red thread on it. I think this rod is rated 1 to 5 grams. This rod is 4'6". So it's kind of dark in this room right here. There's not a lot of light, but this red is actually brighter than what it looks like in this lighting. So like I said, this rod is 4'6". Ultralight. It's 1 to 5 gram lure weight. This is the reel. This is the reel that I had him try to match the rod with. So it's pretty close. So I plan on using like one of these. I have 2 of these red ambassadors. I plan on using them with this rod. It's pretty close to the same color. Close enough, I think. So that's the rod right there, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video.